Good morning on this fine February 28th, Monday at 8:43 futures traders, and I am just getting started. Still Ukraine news. Looks like it's driving everything down. So we're waiting here to turn on the auto ripper. It's still kind of moving kind of crazy. Let's see
Order filled.
what it's gonna do. There, looks like it's going down. Yeah, it's moving pretty crazy.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right. Yeah, it's moving pretty nuts. The volatility is back up again. I think it was 29. Yeah, 29.55. And the Nasdaq is down 86 points right now. So, just let it settle out a little bit. Like I said, I usually like to make about $1,000 a day. You can see here it made a nice little move down. It's coming below it, rebounded. Now it's in some kind of little sideways. Yeah, moving up. Let's see, give it a shot. See what the auto ripper does. Oh yeah, it's dancing all over the place. See if she's going to take it right here. Well, let the software do its thing, because price action is all over. The higher the VIX, volatility index, fear factor, the more it moves. It gets pretty squirrely. So everybody's waiting to see which direction it kind of wants to go, and then they're going to jump on board. See if she takes one here. Nope. There's some support at 14.049 right here. See if it bounces off it and goes up. Right there. Always look left. There's some more support. Yeah, you see how it's short-lived red and then green. Everything's got to be just right for the software to take a trade. Otherwise, you're just guessing. And guessing equals money loss. Oh, yeah, this is the last day of February, the most worthless month of the year. Now we'll hit March and spring should come. Maybe now she'll fire off a.
Order
There we
filled.
go.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Yes. There's 400. That was fast. I think that'll be 200 once the price settles because it markets in and markets out pretty quick. Yep, there's 244. And then it bounced up because I have it set so it, as soon as it hits the first target, the break even slides down. And if it's a free ride anyways because you've already made your first target, so then the runner would come down farther, but if it comes back into it, it stops you out, but at a profit. We made that first. So let's see what she's going to do. That was a quick one. Just got into the range and it took it. It was happy. I'll leave that one alone. See what we're up today. Oh, yeah. Ooh, here
Order
comes another one.
submitted.
Yeah, here comes.
Order canceled.
There we go. Here we're riding her now. Let's keep her going down.
Order filled.
It keeps coming back and nabbing the stop before it even has time. Holy cow. See if it gets my first trigger, hits that fine, we're in. So now we're up 400. See how she plays. It looks like we're getting into some really good chop here too. And the software is able to predict, boom, the slide down and then out. And then it got another one and hit a target again. It's getting the direction just right. Let's see what this run looks like. It always likes to run up, starts pushing, does the pullback, and then it gives you another shot. It's usually the money shot, the second one for sure. 80%, 70%, I think 70% is a better number for the second shot up. That one ran up nice. Looks like the ES is going up a little. Oh, all these advertisements. Unreal. S&P is going down too. That's going to be a down day. Maybe it'll be a rally at the end of the day. It is now 8:55. There's a lot of, well, good healthy amount on average, 290,000 volume on the NQ. Oil's pretty active today. The ES is kind of not very active. It's lower. It's usually around a million. It's down to 600. And the MNQ, the micros, is way up, almost a million. Maybe I should turn on the ES. I usually like to trade the ES too. We can't see that one though. My main focus is this NQ. Seem to make more money on this faster.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Let's see if we can get this one to run up a little bit.
Order filled.
Well, it didn't.
Order submitted.
Oh, the ES. There it goes.
Order canceled.
And a level.
Order canceled.
Yep, hit a level. 14.13675. Pulled right back. Where is that? 14.144. 14.144. Right there. Yep. Well, I made 1,000 on my ES, but I'm down on my 7 yet. I haven't made. So I'll have to wait for I make this so I can make 2,000. 2,000 is a good day. Oh, it's taking a little longer than I anticipated today. Oh well. Okay, I'm back. I just had 2 of them fire off before I even knew it. I got another one
Order
fired off
canceled.
right there, which was great. But they seem to be just short-lived. It is now 9:55. I turned it off for a while, trying to let it do its thing, figure out what it's doing. Let's see if it goes up any further. Move that up a little bit. We hit this little short. Now it's taking this little long. She's finally kind of moving up. There's my 1,000. Then I had an ES 700. So
Order
I did
filled.
good. Yep, that's out. I'm done. I am done. That'll have to be good for today. Well, thank you for watching.